Are you a classic car enthusiast? Take a look at this stunning 1961 Dodge Dart Seneca, offered at just $8,000. Located in El Paso, Texas, this beauty features a powerful 8-cylinder engine that promises an exhilarating drive. With a clean title and an odometer reading of only 66,250 miles, this classic remains in good condition and is an excellent candidate for restoration. The vehicle includes a desirable push-button automatic transmission and a sleek white paint finish. While it's open to trades, the seller is willing to consider the best cash offer. Please note, there are a few known issues, including an intermittent brake hub lock and a need for tires and battery. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details and to view the listing, visit the link in the description. Introducing a classic gem, the 1961 Studebaker Lark, yours for just $7,500. This stunning piece of automotive history features a reliable 6-cylinder engine paired with a smooth manual transmission, making it a true driving experience. With only 76,300 miles on the odometer, this beauty is ready for the road. Its clean title speaks to its well-preserved condition. Whether you're an enthusiast or looking for a restoration project, the Studebaker Lark has undeniable appeal. From new tires and wheels to good brakes, this classic runs and drives with confidence. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Americana. For further details, check out the link in the description to see more about this exceptional car. This is a unique opportunity to own a classic 1962 Jeep FC150, priced at $7,200. Located in Peoria, Arizona, this vehicle comes with a clean title and a host of impressive features. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful new Magnum 5.2 crate engine paired with a brand new A5/18 automatic transmission, making it a reliable choice for both off-road adventures and daily driving. Although the odometer is not specified, the FC150 boasts thousands of dollars in new parts, ensuring its solid performance. This truck not only combines functionality with retro charm, but also offers great restoration potential for enthusiasts. The body is in good condition with minimal rust, and it's equipped with advanced features like LED lighting and a new custom steering setup. If you're interested in a rare piece of automotive history, check out the link in the description for more details and photos of this incredible Jeep FC150. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1963 Buick Wildcat 401 nailhead for sale at an attractive price of just $5,000. Located in Eugene, Oregon, this beauty has been parked in a shed since 1971, preserving its original paint and almost perfect interior. The 401 nailhead engine has been 95% rebuilt, ensuring reliability and performance. With an odometer reading of just 1 mile and a clean title, this car is a rare find. It features an automatic transmission and brand new tires, ready for the road. This Wildcat offers incredible restoration potential and historical value for any classic car enthusiast. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details and pictures, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the classic automotive world, where vintage meets value, featuring the 1964 Mercury Montclair Marauder. With an inviting price of just $6,500, this beauty is located in Fresno, California. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 8-cylinder engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This classic sedan has an odometer reading of 95,229 miles and is in fair condition, making it an ideal project for car enthusiasts. The striking yellow paint and clean title add to its appeal. Whether you're looking to restore a piece of automotive history or simply want a unique ride, this Montclair has great potential. With almost all original parts and a few new additions, it's ready for its next adventure. For more details on this classic gem, be sure to visit the link provided in the description. Introducing the classic 1961 Dodge Dart Seneca, a true gem from the jet age with a unique design featuring reverse fins and a concave grille. Priced at just $3,600, this project car is located in Rathdrum, Idaho. It boasts a clean title and has an odometer reading of 46,217 miles. While it currently lacks an engine and transmission, it offers immense restoration potential for enthusiasts. With its 6-cylinder configuration and manual transmission, this sedan is a piece of automotive history waiting to be revived. For more details, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Are you ready for a classic adventure? Introducing the 1961 Willys Jeep CJ5, a project car priced at just $1,200. Located in Bell, Missouri, this vintage gem boasts a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and 4WD capabilities, perfect for off-road enthusiasts. The odometer reads approximately 100,000 miles, showcasing its history. Ideal for a father-son restoration project, this Jeep features a solid body with desirable camo paint and has a unique boat-style gas tank. While it needs some TLC, it has potential for restoration and exploration. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check out the link in the description for more details and to see it in action. Introducing the classic 1961 Cadillac Deville, a stunning 4-door sedan that's perfect for restoration enthusiasts. Priced at just $2,750, this beauty is located in Desert Hot Springs, California. Under the hood, you'll find the original 390 V8 engine, which, while it hasn't run in years, is free and ready for revival. The car features an automatic transmission and has an odometer reading of 100,000 miles. With a striking blue paint color and a solid body, it has minor rust on the fender but great floor pans and trunk. This Cadillac is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to restore a piece of automotive history. For more details and to see pictures, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on this classic gem. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1962 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $8,500. Located in Independence, Missouri. This beauty features a reliable 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a joy to drive. With an odometer reading of 100,000 miles, this car is in good condition and boasts a vibrant red paint color. It's a previous California car, which adds to its charm and historical value. While it does need some work on the brakes, gas tank, body, and interior, this Nova has incredible restoration potential. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Discover a classic gem with this 1963 Chevrolet C10 long bed, available for just $7,500 in Orange, California. This truck is powered by a robust 8-cylinder V8 350 small block engine, paired with an automatic transmission for a smooth driving experience. With an odometer reading of 29,000 miles, this vehicle is in fair condition, showcasing an eye-catching metallic blood orange exterior finished in 2020. The truck features a brand-new interior, complete with carpeting and upholstery. There's a newly installed wood bed kit and original year plates, adding to its historical value. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts, this project truck does need some work but has great potential. To learn more and see additional photos, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on owning a piece of automotive history. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a 1963 Chevy C10 pickup truck, priced at just $4,500, located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This truck features a robust 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, making it a reliable choice for any classic car enthusiast. With an odometer reading of 68,900 miles, this vehicle is in fair condition and has a clean title. While it does need some brake work, it runs and drives well. The exterior boasts a vintage green paint job, with some cosmetic wear and rust typical for its age. The interior is in the process of restoration, with a new wiring harness and mini starter already installed. This Chevy C10 has great potential for restoration and is perfect for anyone looking for a classic truck with character. For more details, check out the link in the description. Discover this classic gem, the 1963 Chrysler 300 Pacesetter convertible, now available for just $2,900 in Casa Grande, Arizona. This vintage beauty is powered by a 383 big block V8 engine and features a push-button automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of over 1 million, this car not only runs and drives but also presents an exciting restoration opportunity. Despite some rust in the floors, trunk, and rockers, the potential for revitalization is immense. The car comes with power steering, power brakes, power windows, and a power top, enhancing its classic appeal. With a clean Indiana title, this Chrysler 300 is ready for its next owner who appreciates history and vintage automobiles. For more detailed information, please visit the link in the description. Welcome, car enthusiasts. Today, we have a classic gem for you, the 1963 Plymouth Valiant V200. Priced at just $2,500, this beauty is located in Bowman, North Dakota. Under the hood, you'll find a reliable 225 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine paired with a smooth push-button automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of 100,000 miles, it's a dependable classic that runs quietly with no smoke or leaks. The green paint shines, while the upholstery shows its age, presenting a fantastic opportunity for restoration. The steering, brakes, and body are all in excellent condition, making this car a prime candidate for someone passionate about classic vehicles. Dive into its rich history and consider the potential for your own personalized touch. Don't miss out on the chance to own this piece of automotive history. Visit the link in the description for more details. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1964 Chevy II Nova, priced at $10,000. This beauty is located in Melissa, Texas, and is a true gem for any classic car enthusiast. With only 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle features a reliable inline-6 engine and a smooth 3-speed manual transmission. The car is in good condition, boasting front disc brakes and a new AC that blows cold. While it has some rust on the trunk lid, it presents a fantastic restoration opportunity. Don't miss out on this piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a 1964 F100 4x4 flatbed pickup available for just $1,500 in Pilot Rock, Oregon. This vintage beauty features a robust 292 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, making it a true workhorse. With an odometer reading of 100,000 miles, this truck is perfect for restoration enthusiasts or collectors. The all-steel flatbed, measuring 6.3 by 8 feet, adds to its utility. While it does have a broken front axle housing that needs replacement, the flatbed alone is worth the price. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing the classic 1964 Ford F100 Shortbed. a true gem for car enthusiasts and restoration lovers alike. Priced at $6,500, this pickup is located in Venice, California. With a robust 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, it offers a driving experience that harkens back to a simpler time. The odometer reads 252,287 miles, showcasing its history. This truck is in fair condition and is perfect for those looking to restore a piece of automotive history. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing a classic gem, the 1965 Ford Econoline pickup truck, available now for just $3,000 in Anaheim, California. This fair-condition beauty features a robust 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, perfect for those who appreciate the thrill of driving a vintage ride. With only 55,746 miles on the odometer, it boasts a clean title, which is a rarity for classic vehicles. The appealing red paint adds character, while the original features, including an uncut dash and rear end, offer a glimpse into its storied past. The truck comes with valuable extras like a radiator, windshield, and spare rims. This vehicle is not just a truck, it's a piece of automotive history with immense restoration potential. For more details on this classic ride, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on your chance to own a piece of history. Welcome to the classic car enthusiast stream, presenting a 1965 Chevy C10 Custom, available for just $4,500 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This iconic truck features a robust 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a joy to drive. With an odometer reading of 111,111 miles, this vehicle has been well loved and maintained. The clean title and solid chassis indicate its potential for restoration or customization. With only surface rust and no cancer, this West Coast classic is ready for its next adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description.